Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best pull-out trash can is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential additions to any modern kitchen, transforming a mundane chore into a seamless part of your daily routine by keeping odors contained and your countertops clutter-free, ultimately enhancing both the functionality and aesthetic of your culinary space. Number 5. SIMPLEHUMAN Dual Compartment Under Counter Kitchen Bin. Neatly sort your trash and recyclables in this dual compartment bin. It makes eco-friendliness very space-efficient. It glides fully out of the cabinet on full extension tracks for easy access to the bucket. The pre-assembled one-piece track is easy to install. It glides on smooth commercial-grade ball-bearing tracks. Grab the large steel handle to pull it out of the cabinet quickly. This easy-to-install pull-out recycling kitchen bin glides out of the cupboard on smooth commercial-grade ball-bearing tracks for quick and easy access. What we like? This one is perfect for those who want to easily sort recyclables. If you are looking for a space-efficient way to manage both trash and recycling, this is a great choice. Its pre-assembled track makes installation a breeze. What people say? These fit so perfectly into my smaller under-sink cabinet. Installation was crazy easy and the included screws are the proper length as not to go all the way through a standard cabinet. These are super well made with smooth sliding action. It's concealed to keep the smell minimized and it's not out in the open for my cats to invade. It's still centrally located so it's very convenient. It's easy to install but I needed a drill. The cabinet materials won't let you go into it without pre-drilled holes. Fits my standard size cabinet that has an outlet box protruding into it with no problem. It doesn't touch. The compact design means I can still use the other side of my under the sink area for much needed storage. The unit pulls out smoothly every time. It was very simple to install using a drill, and I imagine you could even use push pins, duct tape, or command strips if you don't have one. This product works great for our household. Number 4. Rev-A-Shelf Pullout Trash Can RV 15KD 11CS. Introducing a smart solution to keep your kitchen waste and recycling hidden yet easily accessible. This system offers dual compartments for efficient waste management. Specifically designed for 15-inch base cabinets, it fits seamlessly into your existing kitchen setup. Installation is straightforward, making upgrades simple. Experience smooth, effortless operation thanks to its full extension, ball-bearing slides. The heavy-gauge wire construction ensures lasting durability. Get organized in minutes. This pull-out container comes with everything needed for a quick 15-minute installation directly to your cabinet floor. Since 1984, Rev-A-Shelf has been a trusted name, providing stylish and smart organization solutions for your entire home. Each compartment boasts a generous 27-quart capacity, perfect for handling your household's trash and recycling needs efficiently. What we like? Consider this if you need to manage a larger volume of waste or recycling. If you have a standard 15-inch base cabinet and want a dual bin system, this offers excellent capacity. You can even add lids separately for odor control. What people say? Fits perfectly in the space. Easy to use and install. Easy to install, fit in small under-sink space, high-quality construction and bins. The black hides scuffs, stains, and the general indignities of daily life like an absolute champ. They fit perfectly in the existing Rev-A-Shelf frame, feel sturdier than the originals, and instantly made my kitchen cabinet look 10x cleaner. Number 3. Cabinet Pull-Out Trash Can Organizer. Tired of struggling with your trash can? Introducing a revolutionary solution designed to make your kitchen cleanup a breeze. Keep your space tidy and organized with ease. This versatile organizer is designed to accommodate various trash bin sizes, up to 12 gallons or 48 quarts. It's built to hold up to 50 pounds, ensuring it can handle your daily needs. Maximize your space with the convenient built-in storage for disposable supplies. Keep trash bags, gloves, and other essentials neatly tucked away, ready when you need them. Crafted from durable, heavy-duty steel with a rust-resistant chrome finish, this organizer is built for longevity. It not only looks great but is also backed by a lifetime limited warranty for your peace of mind. Experience seamless operation with its precision slide-out mechanism. It extends fully, providing complete access to your bin and supplies, making waste disposal effortless. Setting up this organizer is a breeze. With included hardware and simple instructions, you can install it in minutes, transforming your cabinet space with minimal effort. What we like. This is ideal for those who want flexibility with their trash bin size. If you often change the type or size of your trash bags, its adjustable holder is a game changer. Plus, the integrated storage for supplies and a lifetime warranty offer great value. What people say. The unit was easy to install using the included template for drilling the 4 attach points inside your cabinet. The rack travels smoothly in and out of our cabinet. It slides smoothly in and out, and the space for holding the trash bags is a big plus. Number 2. Rev-A-Shelf 35 QT Under Sink Garbage Can Lid. Introducing the perfect accessory for your Rev-A-Shelf 35 quart pull-out waste container. This replacement lid ensures your trash stays concealed, maintaining a clean and seamless functionality in your kitchen or bathroom. Measuring 14 inches wide by 10.25 inches deep, this lid is specifically designed to fit all Rev-A-Shelf 35 quart waste containers. It's the ideal replacement for your existing recycle bin lid. Crafted from durable, injection-molded polymer plastic, this lid is built to last. The convenient flip-top feature securely holds odors in, enhancing freshness and functionality in your home. Installing this lid is a breeze. It easily affixes to your pull-out trash can, and the package includes one silver 35 quart waste container lid. Please note that waste containers are sold separately. Rev-A-Shelf has been providing holistic, convenient, stylish, and smart organization solutions for homes since 1984. Trust us to enhance your kitchen, bath, and closet spaces. What we like. This product is specifically for those who already own a compatible Rev-A-Shelf unit and need a replacement lid. If odor containment is a priority for your existing pull-out bin, this flip-top lid is designed to keep smells securely inside. It's a simple upgrade for enhanced functionality. What people say. It's super easy to use, and so far, it's doing a great job of keeping trash can odors under control. It keeps smells in and bugs out. It fits perfectly and sits on the can so it can be removed easily when replacing the bag. Number 1. Heavy-duty sliding under cabinet trash can organizer. Crafted from high-quality heavy-duty steel with a sleek chrome finish, this organizer is built to last and withstand daily use. Keep your kitchen tidy by storing your trash can discreetly under the cabinet. It slides out effortlessly for easy access when you need it. Experience smooth operation with its ball-bearing track system. It glides in and out easily, even when fully loaded, without any wobbling. Installation is a breeze. The base comes pre-assembled, requiring only 4 screws to secure it to your cabinet floor. Just measure your cabinet to ensure a perfect fit. This organizer boasts dimensions of 11 inches W x 16 inches D x 16.5 inches H and requires a minimum cabinet opening of 13 inches W x 18 inches D. It can accommodate trash cans up to 35 quarts. Transform your undersink or under cabinet area into an organized and functional space. It's the perfect solution for a cleaner, more efficient kitchen. What we like. Choose this if you prioritize durability and smooth operation in a compact space. If you have a smaller cabinet opening of at least 13 inches wide and need a robust, smoothly gliding system, this heavy-duty option is a solid pick. It's designed for frequent use and easy access. What people say. Super easy to install. It's continued to be sturdy and durable, not to mention that our small area looks so much nicer without having the garbage right there. Size is perfect for RV living. It's smooth sliding and sturdy and fits perfectly to the narrow space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.